Dollar store review. What you got?
What is that name?
Spiker.
Spreacher?
I think it's Dutch.
Spraker.
Yeah, there you go.
Orange Dream. Fire brewed. Now, if I know anything about my drinks, I don't like them to be hot. Unless it's supposed to be. Fire brewed craft soda made with real honey. Brew good things, you know what I'm saying?
How many calories are in this?
230, half of a Pop-Tart. Ooh. Sounds like shards of glass already. Simmons has one bottle.
Oh.
It is carbonated water.
That's it.
Bunch of other junk I ain't reading.
Okay.
All right, crack open a cold one.
And we
Ow,
also
it's sharp.
as part
Is
of
it a twist top?
As part of a mini review, we have the 20-count mini cups that you can also get at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And we're gonna use them. Oh.
It smells good.
Does it? Let me hit me with a whiff.
Get a whiff.
Very, orange creamy, yeah. Ooh,
I used to be a bartender.
Did he? I used to be a bartender. What is he even saying?
Look at that, 2 perfect
All right,
shots.
so we got red 4 in here, and also we got yellow.
Let me see. Is there? Will this kill you in California? Yes, it will.
Wow,
Okay.
that is very. I didn't taste it or anything.
Okay. That smells good. Give it a dink.
In a sink.
That's good.
It was so good I had to throw it back twice.
That's good. I threw most of it on myself, but
Not bad.
that's good.
Why? Here, take some more.
Okay. I smoked him.
Dumb mother. Every time you're shooting something at my camera.
Dang right. Give me a shot.
Another shot. Oh, Nick. You're a bartender.
I was a bartender. Don't even need a chaser for that one.
Why is that actually good?
That's really good.
And the cups, they're like little mini red Solo cups.
I mean, they do their job. They're a shot
They do a
glass.
fantastic job.
That might have been a bit more than a shot I was pouring in there.
You think?
I used to be a bartender, giving the people their money's worth.
All the way to the top. They're recyclable. And can you play that weird flip thing that the kids play at college?
I don't know. I didn't go to college.
As a kid who went to college but did not do the flip game.
Oh! Let me try. Let me do one. You're doing it all wrong. See, I used to be a bartender. You need a bigger table for it.
You're gonna waste all of your
I'm
cups.
not gonna waste all my cups. Oh! F
You can play
me!
some cool games with them. 57 grams of added sugar.
This table's not big enough.
That's why it's good. It's good. Because it's straight Chug.
Sign me the F. I'd buy that for $1.
Glucose, maltose, dextrin, raw honey, citric acid.
Oh, look at that!
I missed it.
Give me this. What do you mean you missed it? You read your ingredients.
You just took it away from me.
I did it again. Did you see that?
Yeah, it does have red 40.
Yeah, I told
which
you
has
it'd kill you
been
in California.
outlawed.
That's the end of that drink. Buy it while you can.
They cared a lot about making that.
Why are you sipping from a shot glass? I did it again. Take your spit glass.
Anyway, so Nick is going to keep the rest of the drink because he really wanted it. So.
Is mine?
Yeah.
Cool.
I did it. Oh!
Can't buy that at Foot Locker. I got a beer in one hand and my ear in the other.
We got
God,
Timmy
that
in
was
that
going fast. Get out
Jameson
of the
Tennessee
holes.
Fire. What was it? Jack Daniels? That sound was really satisfying. They just all toppled. Quit sniffing everything that
That
burns.
smell of a good time.
Ooh, that one's a good one.
Charred. It's ooh.
Oh, that one's charred. They're all charred. They're all Charizard. It just
They don't
we're just
burn.
breathing it in.
They don't burn.
They don't burn.
They
You
just
inhale
shrink.
them.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It smells like Pop-Tart.
Thanks for watching. I don't think I'm in focus in that shot. You are though.
You look good.
Okay. This guy looks like you've been having a hard time.
Yes, he does.
that was our dollar store reviews. Tune in, maybe never again. We don't know. Maybe 10 more years. Take it.
This has been Nix and Mix. If you enjoyed, please press that subscribe button.